Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get temporary admin API access in Shopify. This is useful for testing, app development, or giving limited access without exposing your store permanently. Let's walk through how to set it up. To get the API keys, we need to click on Apps in the left side of the Shopify dashboard. Once we are there, go to App Settings. From here, we need to click on Develop Apps. Once redirected, simply click Build Apps in the dashboard. We will now be taken to the developer dashboard. All we need to do is open the Credentials section. Once we click on Credentials, the temporary admin API key will be displayed right there. We just need to copy it and paste it wherever needed. For permanent API keys, we just need to click to generate a permanent API key. And that's it. That's how we get temporary admin API access in Shopify. Using temporary access helps keep your store secure while still allowing development and testing.